watched the person die?
No, I haven't.
Sorry to hear about Rachel, mate. No parent should have to bury their child.
It changed you, didn't it? Northern Ireland, Bosnia, Iraq, Afghanistan. Was it all worth it?
I need answers.
I think you have bigger problems now, boss. They'll be looking for you now.
I tried everything, but I felt like I was screaming into a black hole.
She's dead, Ava, and it's all my fault because I left her at that fucking party.
Her death is not your fault.
Why was he selling drugs to my daughter?
I don't know, man. We just let me horse, please.
Where is he?
Your fucking party. What happened when I left? We got company.
Who is he?
Andrew Coleman, Rachel's father.
People don't change. You hang around long enough and you just find out who they really are.
I suppose everyone leaves in the end, one way or another.
Where is she?